What are the 5 key benefits of a HR system for a small business? Let's start with number 1, annual leave. So let's be honest, we all like to have a day off from time to time and a holiday in the diary to look forward to. It's probably the easiest and cleanest and simplest way to get that early adoption from everyone in the team using the system from the off. From the employee's perspective, they'll log in through a mobile app. They'll have full visibility of how much leave they have remaining in the holiday year. They can check the team calendar to see who else is off on that day or that week they're looking to book off. That then goes through to either line manager, the HR team, even the business owner, depend on your approval structure for that to then to be signed off or even rejected if needs be. But it's a great place to start for all new HR system users, especially when you're moving away from a paper-based or spreadsheet-based approach. Number 2, sickness tracking. So we've recently discussed this on another video where, again, for the first time, perhaps a business will have the ability to track and sort of scrutinize some of the data around sickness across the business. This could look like the Bradford factor. It could be sickness instances. It could be number of days in a period of time. You can choose. You can decide what that looks like. The team themselves, they can add a day of sick through the mobile app. Again, that will go through for management or HR. Again, depending on your approval structure, to have a look at that. When someone returns to work, again, you can then ask for further information. Again, the system can manage all of this for you. There's no manual elements required. The system can ask for the information, it can collate the information, it can store the information as well. Number 3, the storing of documentation. So the days of having files in a Google Drive or OneDrive or a SharePoint, whilst there still is a place for that from time to time, having that single source of information and location for all of employees' files, company level files, it makes it much easier to manage, and it's a much more simplified way of using a system. For example, company level information can be stored on the platform and distributed via really the click of a button to everyone in the team if that's a document that everyone needs to see. So there's no more emailing a document to everyone one by one, or can you let me know when you've seen this, or sending things out for signature. Perhaps it's all been removed. Number 4, performance. So this is where we can start to support line managers and business owners around helping them with some of the tools around looking after their team. So this could look like scheduling one-to-one meetings, for example, getting those in a diary. You can determine the frequency of when they happen. The integration from the system to either your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar means the data's pulled through. It's in the diary. It means it's there. It's got to happen. And that visibility for the management team as well to see who's doing what and when. How can we help our teams in a more efficient and better way. And then lastly, really, it's all focused on time and the saving of time. I mean, the 4 things we've touched on already, there's a degree of manual element perhaps already with how you're looking after and managing those events. We can really reduce that through a HR system. Better awareness of what's going on across the whole business for all things people admin. Everyone knows where the information is stored, where it's located. There's no more question marks around how to find that policy, or how do I find the handbook. It's gone. It's all in the system. By having that single source and location, it just becomes more streamlined for you and for the business to manage all things people admin. So if your business is on the cusp of looking at this for the first time, and if you've got more than 4 employees, we'd strongly recommend you start exploring a HR system anyway. If you'd like to reach out, feel free to ask any questions, drop us a message. We'd love to support you on that journey to your first HR system.